Now here, we are talking about the next point in the EOT number 18. Okay, so let's talk about this lesson. This lesson, slope intercept form, it's 4.5. So we said that we have this equation, y equal mx plus b. Well, now, Shamsa, one more time. What does m represent?
M represents slope.
And b, oh sorry, b, yeah, b represent what?
B represents y just
Y, enter.
intercept.
Okay, so we are going to call it slope intercept because it have slope and it have intercept inside it. So we are going to call it slope intercept form. Okay, since we call the slope intercept form, let's remind ourselves how to calculate the slope. We can calculate the slope by what? What's the rule for slope?
Just rise over one.
So we have this rule, rise over run, or we can calculate the slope in other way. Can you tell me what was the other way? We have other formula.
Y2
Great.
y2 minus y1 x2 minus
Minus
x1
x1. And we still have another method. The last method was the coefficient of the
is
x.
يعطونا the
Yeah, the equation, right? The equation, the
أيوة
coefficient of x. So the coefficient of
يوم
x,
يعطونا already ال y
what? Come again?
يوم يعطونا already ال y
That's
بس لازم
correct.
نطلع ال x.
Yeah. So the coefficient of the x will be the slope as well. So those are the methods in order to find the slope. Either we will talk about rise over run, or y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or the coefficient of x. Now let's see the first example. Okay, I'm going to crop the first example. Or before we see the first example, point number 18, we'll talk about examples from 1 to 6. So let's see the first example here. Okay. Now, can you read this example, Shamsa, for me?
Identify the slope and y-intercept of the graph of the equation.
Okay. Now it's simple and good. Let's try to compare. Let's try to compare this equation with the rule. The rule was y equal mx plus b, right? Right,
أيوة
Shamsa? هذا كان rule. This was the rule. So if we compare this rule
أيوة
with this rule, what is the value of m?
the value of m
Yeah,
is slope.
yeah, it is the slope. But I mean, Shamsa, I need you to compare this rule with the formula. Yani put them below each other. Now connect. M will be equal to, look here.
2 over 3.
That's correct. So if someone asks you what is the slope, you are going to tell him that the slope is 2 over 3, which is the number beside x. This is the slope. 2 over 3 only. You cannot say 2 over 3x. Okay? 2 over 3x
لأن
only. That's
الx
correct. Yeah, because x is already here. So when you are comparing these two guys, m will be equal to 2 over 3. Now, if I ask you about b, or this is the slope. If I ask you about the y-intercept, what is the y-intercept, Shamsa, here?
minus 4.
That's correct. Some of the students will say 4. 4 is not correct. You have to compare it, fully compare it. You have to look here. So the y-intercept is what? How much is the y-intercept, Shamsa?
The y it's minus 4.
That's correct. So let's talk about the other question. This one is very easy. I want you to compare this question with this check. Here. Can you tell me what is the y-intercept here? Or say what is the slope first? What is the slope, Shamsa?
The slope is minus 2 over 5.
Okay. And what is the y-intercept?
The y-intercept is -1.
Thank you. It's very simple. It's not that hard. It's very simple. Now, in this question, he want the reverse thing. Let's talk about example number two. Okay, let's talk about example number two. Here. Can you read it for me, please?
Wait. Just write the equation of a line in a slope intercept with the slope of -3 and y-intercept of -4.
Okay, so he want the formula of slope intercept form. So we are going to say y equal mx plus
X plus
b. Why we wrote this rule? Because he said that he wants slope intercept form. Okay?
أيوة.
Now, he told us that the slope is what?
The slope is -3
So m equal minus a 3. And what is the y-intercept?
and b is -4.
Okay, yep. We are going to fit these two guys. We are going to replace them here. So minus
Be-
3 and minus 4.
because
Uh-huh.
because y equals -3x
Minus
plus
what?
brackets -4
Come again.
-3x
Mm-hmm.
plus brackets -4.
So at the last it's minus 4. So خلاص, this is the solution for this example. Is it hard or easy?
It's very easy.
Yeah, super easy. So um, you'll have to solve this